Welcome back to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel and another episode of Project Oil Change. Project Audi. Yes, it is time for yet another oil change on this thing. We've put another 5,000 miles on it. She's holding up pretty good. We do have a couple more items of maintenance today though, and that is this particular brake light is out, this outer right one, and it's really cool. It actually tells you that inside the car on the screen every time you start it up, so we didn't even have to diagnose which light it was. So we got the bulb to do that. We got to do an oil change. What else do we have to do to this thing? So, as you can see, we are draining oil out once again. It's actually getting to where it's looking pretty good. I think this is the third or fourth real oil change, like regular oil change, after we did that flush at the beginning of getting this car. And yeah, I'm not getting any kind of debris or anything weird. No dirt. Oil doesn't smell fuel diluted or anything like that, just good old-fashioned dirty oil, so getting pretty happy about that. We do have some maintenance. Oh, we need to get done. This engine mount here, try to get the light on it here a little better. You see it there, where it goes in that donut? That donut is all trashed, so we need to change out that engine mount. That thing has gone bad, and we should probably go back and rewatch our own videos. I think we saw that the first time we got under here, and we keep forgetting to buy that part. So I need to go order that. Well, that's gonna do it for Project Audi today. Up to 175,000 miles. I accidentally reset the odometer while I was resetting the service light. To reset the service light, you hold down this wrench button, turn the car on, not the engine on, just the key on, and then this will say service up here. You let go of the wrench light and hit the auto reset. I hit it twice though, so after it reset the service, it reset the trip meter, so oopsie. But no big deal. But yeah, she is just pulling out of the garage, guys, no worries. But yeah, no service lights, no check engine lights, no problems, and we changed the brake light bulb in the back. It was super duper duper easy. There's a zillion YouTube videos on how to do it. It takes like 10 seconds. Yeah, that wasn't even worth filming. But yeah, oil change is all done. I did have to, this was the other thing I forgot that we had to do, was lube these hinges. The driver's side hinge here started to squeak, so I put some new graphite grease on there and got that roller moving again. So no more squeaks. Yay! So that's going to do it for Project Audi. You can see she's a bit filthy. It is the fall here in the Pacific Northwest. You can see we got leaves and garbage everywhere. It rains. Hey, there's Shadow. Hi, Shadow. Say hi to the viewers. Yeah, so cars just get filthy up here. This is a rare morning at the moment without rain and also not freezing cold, so it wasn't half bad to get all the work done on the car. But oil change is all set and done again. We're up to 175,000 miles on this here Audi A4 Quattro 2.0 turbo, so dose is running good. So like that. Alright guys, until next time, it's been Plays with Cars.